Alright, I'm going to show you how I tighten my locks. I'm often asked, is this my hair? Or people don't believe this is my hair. And it is. They're not Sisterlocs. I started them with putting in almost 400 individual plaits into my hair. And when I was turning 40, and I'm 47, so 7 years of hair. I've cut off several inches throughout these years because of damage from being in the desert. But anyway, as you can see, this is my new growth right there. And I can stick, this is, I probably hadn't locked this one in about maybe 2.5, almost 3 months. I'm not even sure how long it is. I just do it when I've had enough. So I can actually stick 3 of my fingers in here. That's how much new growth it is. So let me quickly show you how I tighten my locks. So what I'm doing is sticking it in the middle, pulling the hair out, and I'm going in clockwise or counterclockwise directions. And not all of them are done this way perfectly because I'm doing it myself. I'm more dominant in one direction or another, or one angle or another. So if I can at least get two positions out of the 4 positions, then I can still produce a lock that is more tightened, I guess, or secure or something. But it won't loosen up because all that hair at the end is already locked, you know. So it just is a stronger lock if I can continue in a 4-position pattern. So I feel it's getting pretty tight. I'm going to slip it in one more time. Wait a minute, let me get that. Okay. One more time because I want it to go, the last one to be in a direction that I want it to be in, and I wanted this to be in a direction that's going down. So that one's tightened, and you can see, get a little closer, and you can see it's a little skinnier than this fat part right here. But anyway, it's tightened. I can't stick any fingers in there. Tight lock. Hopefully you got a good view of that. So I have about almost 400 more to go if I plan on tightening my hair, which will probably take me about 3 days if I could stay consistent with 6 hours or 5 hours each. Anyway, that just wanted to show you that.